Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run Android apps and games on your PC using a very fast and easy to use emulator. It's a great solution if you want to use Android on your computer without complications or complicated setup. Let's get started. First, we go to the official website of the emulator and download the latest available version. It is important to download only from the official source to avoid issues or modified versions. After the file is downloaded, we run it to start the installation. While the emulator is downloading and installing, let me explain a bit more in detail how it works and why it is useful. Basically, this program creates a virtual Android system directly on your computer. In other words, you no longer need a phone to run Android apps or games. Everything runs on your PC using mouse and keyboard, which is much more convenient in many situations. For example, if you want to test a game, see how it performs, or simply use mobile apps on a bigger screen, this type of emulator is the perfect solution. Performance depends on your PC, but in general, it runs quite smoothly on a decent system. The installation will finish shortly, and we'll move to the most interesting part: choosing a game and testing it in real time. Okay, I've installed the emulator. Now let's choose a game and test it a bit to see how it runs and performs on the PC. Before we start testing the game, I want to mention something important. I will turn off the game sound to avoid any copyright issues on YouTube. This way, only my voice remains in the video, and we avoid any possible claims or restrictions on the audio. The game we're testing is called Nexus: Nebula Echoes. It is a sci-fi RPG style game with action and exploration, where you control characters in a futuristic universe full of missions and battles. As you can see, the game runs very well and I haven't encountered any issues so far. Everything is running smoothly, the controls respond quickly, and the emulator remains stable during gameplay. For normal use in Android gaming, the performance is more than good enough. Overall, the experience is very good, and the emulator does exactly what it is supposed to do. The installation is simple, the interface is easy to use, and the games run surprisingly well. If you want to run Android apps or games directly on your PC, it is definitely worth trying. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.